Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Ultimez Technology YouTube channel, your hub for all things digital innovation. Today we're diving into the foundation of every outstanding digital product, UI and UX. Whether you're new to the field or seeking to enhance your knowledge, this video is your ultimate beginner's guide. We'll simplify UI and UX concepts with real-life examples that will make everything click. So, without further ado, let's embark on this enlightening journey. Before we delve into the specifics, let's first understand what UI and UX actually stand for. UI stands for user interface, while UX stands for user experience. UI refers to the visual elements and design components that users interact with when using a digital product. It includes the layout, colors, typography, buttons, and other graphical elements. UX, on the other hand, encompasses the overall experience a user has when interacting with a product. It involves everything from how easy it is to navigate a website or app to how enjoyable and effective the interaction is. To better understand the relationship between UI and UX, let's consider an example. Imagine you're planning a trip and need to book a flight online. The user interface, or UI, is what you see on the screen. The website's layout, the color scheme, the placement of buttons and text. A well-designed UI will make it visually appealing, intuitive, and easy to navigate. But a great UI alone is not enough. This is where user experience, or UX, comes into play. The user experience involves the whole journey of booking a flight, from searching for flights, selecting dates and destinations, selecting seats, and finally making a reservation. A positive UX ensures that the process is smooth, efficient, and enjoyable for the user. It involves understanding user needs, anticipating their actions, and providing relevant information and feedback along the way. Remember, UI and UX are closely interconnected. While UI focuses on the visual and interactive elements, UX takes into account the overall experience and aims to create a delightful journey for the user. So, whether you're designing a website, mobile app, or any digital product, paying attention to both UI and UX is essential for success. That wraps up our beginner's guide to UI and UX. We hope you found this video helpful in understanding the fundamentals. If you have any questions or want to learn more, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.